Hello everyone. Today we all are going to study about connectors. Connector is a word that joins words, sentences or group of words together. Few common connectors are and, but, or, so, because. Connectors are also called as linking words or conjunctions. Today, we all are going to study about three simple conjunctions and, but, or. The conjunction and is used where there is a relation between two words or sentences. For example, Ram and Rajan bought colorful pencils. So here Ram and Rajan are joined by the conjunction and. The second conjunction but is used when there is a relation between words or sentences contrast with one another. He wanted to buy a game. He did not have any money. So here we have joined them like he wanted to buy a game but he did not have any money. The third last conjunction or is used to show a choice between two or more things. For example, we can eat pizza. We can eat burger. We can join these two sentences like we can eat pizza or burger. Now it's your turn. Can you tell me? I wanted to call you last night. Dash, my brother was on the phone. So here the answer is but. I got ready. Dash went to school. Here the answer is and. So you can see it's very easy. So here is another exercise for you where you need to find it out all the connectors used in the paragraph. So here is the paragraph. Try to find it out and enjoy. Thank you everyone. I hope today you all have learned what connectors are. Try using them in your real life too as much as you can.